You want to keep your home in the best shape possible, and one way you do that is by keeping water from pooling near your home. Stay tuned as we dive into the controversial world of perimeter drains. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Saving your home from water damage and foundation issues can be a struggle. In this video, I'll explain the purpose of exterior perimeter drains, where it should be located, and what problems they can have. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. An exterior drain's job is to capture any water that may be coming down the side of the foundation or from the outside rainwater before it enters into your basement or crawl space. Exterior drains are traditionally located either right next to the footing or right on top of the footing beside the foundation wall itself. The most common problems of an exterior drain is over time the soil collapsing the drain, filling up with soil, or it can even fill up with tree roots. Because this plastic drain is deep underneath the ground, a lot of times 8 to 10 feet, it experiences a tremendous amount of weight and pressure from the soil around it. And over time, with the perimeter drains having slits or holes all the way around it, it can take on soil from above, the side, or even sometimes from the underneath, allowing that drain to clog and not run water. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about having exterior drainage around your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.